So what's your primary purpose of money today? Are you making money to pay bills? Or are you making money to buy more things? Or you are making money to make more money? This one will differentiate your financial future more than your current earning. It is possible to make money with average salary. In Africa today, 3 people may be having the same salary, work in the same city like Lagos, Nigeria, like Nairobi, Kenya, or Cape Town in South Africa, and have similar expenses. Yet after 10 years, one may become very wealthy, while the second person is just surviving, and the last person is dead broke. Why? What's the difference? The difference is not the hustle. The difference is the primary purpose each of them assigned to money. Until we address this purpose, Africa may become poor by assigning different purpose to money. Let me break it down. We have the 3 classes of people: the poor, the middle class, and the rich people. So what are the primary purpose of money? The poor people, their primary purpose of money is to pay bills. They pay bills with the money. When the money lands in their bank account at the end of the month, they use it to pay bills, electricity bills, rent, or the school fees, and everything. They use it to pay bills. Many of them can pay their bills, many of them cannot pay all their bills, but their primary purpose of money is to pay bills. That is the poor people. The middle class, they can afford to pay all their bills and they have leftover. So what they do with the leftover differentiate them. They buy more things with the leftover and they buy liability. They are not buying assets. Some of them bought expensive car, expensive gadgets, big mansions. Those are the things that they use their money to buy, and those things will increase their expenses, and they will also be on the rat race, just on the bigger side of the rat race, and they can impress the poor. Outwardly, they can look rich, but on financial paper, they are dead broke. Those are the middle class. But when it comes to the rich people, their primary purpose of money is to use the money they have now to make more money in the future. So they see money as a tool. They don't see money as something that they need to spend. They use the tool to make more money, and every money they make now, they use it to make more money in the future. Come to think like this. Think like every money in your country. Think of it as a seed. Think of naira like a seed. Think of a dollar like a seed. Think of cedi like a seed. Think of every money in your country like a seed. And then when you use the seed and you plant it, you are going to make more from that seed. So the poor people, they ate all the seed, nothing left. The middle class, they ate all the seed and they decorated the plate. While the middle class, they planted the seed in the right soil. So hear my word, in the right soil. So if you want to become very wealthy, you need to know how to plant the seed in the right soil. So what's your primary purpose of money today? Are you making money to pay bills? Or are you making money to buy more things? Or you are making money to make more money? This one will differentiate your financial future more than your current earning. If you want to serious about moving from surviving to thriving, you want to move from poor class to the rich class, you want to move from middle class to the rich class, you need to move your mindset and your primary purpose of money from buying more things or to pay bills to use the money to make more money. And how can you use your money to make more money? Number one, you need to set aside like 10% of your total income or 20% of your total income as a seed. Those are the seed in every earning that you make. In every salary, there's a seed. In every income, there's a seed. In every wages, there's a seed. So set aside 10%, 20%, and then save it over time. And when you save it over time, you pull it out for investment. But before you go into the investment, you need to understand the market that you wanted to invest in. You invest in your knowledge about the market before investing in the market. For instance, if you want to invest in stock market, you need to invest in your knowledge about the stock market before putting your money in the stock market. If you want to invest in real estate, you need to invest in your knowledge about the real estate. Attend seminar, attend workshop about real estate, find a mentor in real estate that can guide you through before you invest your money in real estate. If you want to invest in crypto, get knowledge about crypto markets before investing in the crypto. Why? Because you need to ensure that your seed is being planted in the right soil, because if you plant the seed in the wrong soil, it cannot germinate. So you need to ensure that your seed was planted in the right soil, and that's how you can make it. So you need to start thinking of how to use money to make more money, and this thing have to change for every African society, every African in Europe, in America, in Asia, the Caribbeans. Many Africans don't think about investing. We can make more money, but oftentimes, because we are not setting aside some portion to make more money, this keep us on a perpetual rat race, and this thing is not ending soon. In WealthX Africa, we believe that by combining both trading and investing together, we can make more money. In my last video, I told you about the two wealth engines, which is trading and investing. So if you trade, anything that brought money to you is categorized under trading. And then when you save money and you invest, you want to make more money. So trading gives you speed, while investing gives you stability. So how many of you want to have stability today? The Bible said that the good man lay inheritance for his children's children. So how many people in Africa today have inheritance for their children, not to talk of their children's children? So you have to think about it. And if you want to lay inheritance for your children and your children's children, you need to start thinking of investing. So if this opened your eye, thanks for watching. But don't just stop there. Why don't you like this video, subscribe, and share it to the people that need to hear it? In WealthX Africa, we believe that an African wealthy financial future cannot be built by chance. It can only be built by choice. The question is, which choice are you making today? Don't just work for money. Let money work for you. I will see you in my next video. Thank you.